Hello guys, today we are playing My Skin Monsters. Wait, let me just put cursors on it so you can see my face a little bit. I'm sorry about my lighting. So today we are My Skin Monsters. So basically, I don't know why, but my flipping wobbox is glitched as flap. Okay? I'm not joking. Even if I go and record, come on, wobbox. Oh, watch. Oh, you can't hear anything. You can only hear a little bit. It looks on too. I'll put in max volume. Yeah, so now, when you go in here, you can't hear him. It's like so annoying. I will try to get him load level. Right. So annoying thing like this. Oh, you can't see me that much. I'm trying to play without covering the camera. Like, I can't see it. I'll try to play this. My controller is shit. Fudge! Okay, this is all I can record right now. For all you guys that enjoyed, please like the video. And if you want to watch more, please tell me in the comments. I don't know why I just recorded this. For lols, this is my first video. If you want me to play more, tell me in the comments and I'll make more videos. Like, real videos. I got another account. I'll try to like make a let's play. So, I'll see you next time. And peace.